Hi guys, welcome to Sit on My Bits and a quick little end of week trading session with Expert Option. Now, Expert Option is great. It's great fun, but you do need to sit there and watch it. It's not something you do need to be watching every move. But I'm just looking at here against the pound, against the US dollar, and you can see the overall direction of that is going down. Now, I know there's some dips and spikes along the way, but the overall direction is going down. Now, it's hit this sort of high point here. And I'm guessing it's then going to be back on its way down. So if we just zoom in, and what I'm going to do is place some big trades. As you can see, I've got 14 grand profit in there, so I'm going to be placing some big trades, $1,000 a shot. There's bollocks, one there. Place another one there. Let's just zoom in a bit closer. So yeah, basically strategy. Find a direction. Oh, missed it there. That would have been ideal on that little spike there. So you see the overall direction. Fuck it, I'm going to place one there. Another one there. Another one there. Another one there. White shooting up. The overall direction's going down. I say, although there's some ups and lows, you know, it can be risky. Look at this. Get these while they're on the high. Fucking get a load of them in. Bang, bang, bang. Before it hits that line, I'm confident I'm going to max the fucking balance out. Leave it at that. Yeah, so basically just seeing there's a direction, overall direction where it's going down. Whoa, getting excited. It's all going fucking wonky. Here we go. Wait for it to hit a peak. So you see the direction it's going in, waiting for it to hit a peak on the opposite direction, and then place a trade in the opposite direction, as you can see here. So it's hit that high point. Am I going to miss out on a couple of these low ones? Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, you fucker. But as you can see there, I missed a couple out, but overall, pretty good. Now, I know I've gone in hard with $1,000 a trade, but basically, that's what I do. I keep having questions about strategy, and basically, that's what I do. You see the overall direction. You know, like if you was to put let me show you. If you was to put a ruler from there to there, you can see the overall direction it's going down. So if you, like I say, if you used to place a ruler against it, you can see the overall direction is in a downward slope. So although you've got some highs and lows, which you can catch a cold on at those points, you can catch a cold if you get it wrong, but it's the name of the game. But yeah, if you look at the overall direction from here to here, you can see it's on a downward slope. Now I've seen that it's started to pick up here, so I'm thinking the overall direction is going down. So although it's on a spike, you can see the pattern. The dips high, dip high, dip high, dip high. It's going to dip. So, and then place a load of trades. I know that obviously it's a bit unrealistic for most people, but when you have been doing it as long as I have, when you've got that sort of equity, you can afford to go in it a bit hard. But I don't recommend it. If you're starting out, especially, start off low. I always start off low. If there's a new platform, I always start off low at, say, 25 quid, work it up to 50 quid, like I've said on all my other videos. But yeah, overall direction from there to there, you can see it's on a downward slope. You can see the pattern. It's down, 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 up a little bit, down, 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 up a little bit, down, 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 up a little bit, down, 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 up a little bit. It's going to go down again. So basically, that's what I've done, and I've caught it. Waited for it to do a little peak up, and then place the trades on the when they come back down, the trade's going to come in. So basically, that is my strategy. I regularly, on a daily basis, get people asking me about trading strategies. If it's something like this that you have to do manually, then that's what I do. So you look at that overall slope. It's on its way down. Where have we gone here? Yeah, overall slope, it's on its way down, and then I've placed the trades, waited for it to do that little peak up, place the trades against it. So overall direction, so you can see it's going down, wait for it to go against that direction, place a trade, you know it's going to come back down, and then the trades come in. Obviously it can be risky, you can get it, I say, on one of the peaks or one of the dips, but basically that's how I do it. So a quick little trading strategy just to refresh you again on expert option. I say expert option is great. It's very exciting, but you do need to be on it, watching it. You know, you can have a separate chart open if you like, you know, for a second opinion. But yeah, basically, just for everyone that keeps asking about strategies, that's how I do it. Overall direction, wait for it to go against that overall direction. Also look for a pattern in that overall direction. See if you can see, like I did there, you know, it's dip, up, 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 dip, up, 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 and so on. You know, you can see what it's going to do. Wait for it to go against that. So the overall direction is going down. Wait for it to go against that, a little spike, place that trade, and then when it comes back down, you'll be in the money. So just a quick little refresher on my strategy. If you want to check it out, expert option for yourself, there's a link below this video. Don't forget subscribe. Don't forget thumbs up as well if you like the videos. And so after my last video, I've had a lot of response about expert option. I say it's great. It's very exciting, as you can see there. But you do need to keep an eye on it. You do need to watch it. But yeah, I mean, I know it looks a bit blasé going in at $1,000 a trade, but I just wanted to show you how my strategy can work and how you can make a lot of money quickly by taking advantage of that strategy. Anyway, I'm going to call it a weekend. I'll be back with you next week, for more updates and reviews. That film last night was wicked, The Joker. If you haven't seen it, go out and see it. What a good film. Yeah, loved it. My missus loved it too. But yeah, check it out. Look, I've missed one there. I'm babbling on, and I've missed an opportunity there. It's hit that spike, and now it's gone down. But you can see other people have caught it. Look, $800, $1,000. Mrs. Nervous here at $50. But yeah, check it out for yourself. Expert option. If you get it right, it performs very well. But I say you do have to be watching it. It's not something you can just. It's not like a a semi-auto trader or an auto trader. You have to watch it, but it is good fun, as you can see there. So a quick few grand just in a few minutes. It can be done. I mean, everyone's got their own strategy, but that's how I do it. I'm not telling you that's how you should do it. That's just how I do it. It's not investment advice by any way. It's just how I do it. But yeah, maybe it will help, maybe it won't. But yeah, if you're interested in expert option, I say there is a link below. Have a good weekend, and I'll be back with you next week with more updates and reviews. Thank you.